Alright. I've noticed that a number of these stones have definite patterns. There's this one here. It's a very worn stone, very beat up. But you can see a lot of tool marks. What I believe to be tool marks on there. A lot of times these stones seem to have different characters on each side of them, even on each face. It seems. This one here is cool. A number of these stones could have been used as tools too, I'm not sure. Another large one would be this. And what I find interesting so many of these have the same angles. The same shape and the same apparent angle for the most part. They all tend to have the same features, the same angles. This one's really cool. This one here, it's almost a prairie hen. Could be a prairie chicken. A number of these could be prairie chickens. Prairie chicken dance. It's very important. Unfortunately, they're now extinct, for the most part, from Alberta, because of overhunting and agriculture. Some of these are just so amazing. Astounding. So I see a bird head over here. Beak. Over here, I see a warrior or a chief or someone. There's a portrait of someone here. Their chin is right here. And you follow up and there's the mouth and the nose and everything. I don't know if the camera will pick that up. I'm seeing a lot of these shaped like that though. They've all been shaped. And they've all been shaped in a certain way. For what reason though? Even to the smallest of ones. This one here, same idea. This would be the head, this is tail feathers. This is the wing. This was another stone that reminded me of a possible bird. It's very polished. And if anything, it could be a fox, maybe? Or a mosquito. Lots of mosquitoes out here. Maybe it was a mosquito. Not sure. Another one that reminds me of a mosquito. I'm not sure what they represent. They've all got the same. It's almost like a template was being followed to make these. Then you can get a little larger. This one here caught my eye because of the sharp points on the stone. A lot of stuff is a certain size and certain angles. It's so interesting. And I'm going to have to find a whole bunch more to make sure there's an absolute pattern. Look at that. What kind of bird would that be that has a comb? And then we got color in the wings. There was a lot of thought put into these, and I'm sure a lot of time. As soon as I saw it, I recognized what it was. I knew it was very special. Every time you turn it, it changes into a different animal or a different expression of the same animal. So many thoughts. All right, well, that's all I'm going to go through for now. This has gone way longer than I thought it would. But I hope everyone has a great day. And thank you for all your time. Like, look at that.